Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to adjust the page height in Wix for your website, especially with all the new changes in Wix 2025, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your site's pages taller or shorter, so your content fits just the way you want, and your visitors have a seamless scrolling experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Wix web design platform. Just head over to your Wix dashboard and select the website you want to edit. This part may sound basic, but getting comfortable navigating Wix is key. It's like setting up your workspace before you start creating. The design editor is where all the visual magic happens, and it's super friendly even if you're brand new to website building. Now, once you're in your web design area, you'll see your site laid out before you, divided up into different sections. Think of these sections as the building blocks of your page, like rooms in a house. Each one can contain different content, images, or features. What you want to do here is select the section you'd like to adjust. Maybe it's your About section and you've added a new photo, or your Services section has grown with one more offering. Clicking on the section highlights it so you can make changes, and you'll know you've selected the right spot because you'll see a border pop up around it. Here's where we get to the real adjustment. If your goal is to change the height of your page, to either add more space for new content, or maybe trim away some blank space, this is super simple in Wix 2025. Look for the purple up and down arrow. It's usually at the bottom of the section. This icon is kind of like a little elevator button. It lets you control how tall that section, and ultimately your entire page, will be. To adjust, simply click on that purple arrow. You'll notice you can drag it either up to make the section shorter or down to add more vertical space. For example, if you've just uploaded a new image or a block of text, give it a little extra room by dragging downward. Or, if you want a more compact feel, maybe you don't want visitors to scroll so much, drag it up to tighten the design. A quick tip: don't worry if you're not sure about the exact spacing when you first try this. You can experiment with the up and down movement until everything looks just right. Wix saves your changes automatically, so you can preview and tweak as needed. If you notice that other sections or elements shift a bit as you adjust, that's totally normal. It's kind of like rearranging furniture to fit a new rug. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Adjusting page height in Wix 2025 doesn't require any coding or complicated settings. It's all about clicking, dragging, and seeing the results in real time. Once you're happy with how your sections and overall page look, be sure to preview your site and see things from your visitor's perspective. This small change can really improve your website's user experience, keeping things neat and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or get stuck along the way, drop a comment down below. I always love hearing from you and helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tips and Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.